Today is 20th of April 2026, and I'm going to conduct your IELTS Speaking Mock Session. My name is Masaros. Could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Zain Khurshid.
Okay, and what can I call you?
Sir, you call me Zain or Zain Khan.
Okay, Mr. Zhang. So, can I see your ID, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Can you please tell me your candidate number?
Sir, it's uh, 32401.
All right, that is great. So in part one, I'll be asking you a couple of questions, right? And then I'll go towards the cue card, and the last one would be follow-up questions, right?
All right, sir.
So I'll begin with the first one. The question is from friends. Do you prefer to have a lot of friends or a small group of friends?
Uh, in my preference, I prefer small group of friends which are loyal and which are loyal. A large group, I did not prefer large group of friends because there are many things which are which will be keep in your mind while making friends. A large group of friends the, will sometimes lead you to different challenges, and sometimes leads you to bad habits. So, in my preference, I prefer to have a small group of friends which are good, which are good and uh, which are good and loyal.
Okay, that is great. That's fine. Let me ask you another question is, uh, what are some, do you enjoy dining out at restaurants?
Yes, sir. Yes, I will enjoy the dining out in the restaurant, but not all the time. But I enjoy it only sometimes, sometimes a month at the end of the weekends, because eating junk foods or eating from the outside is not good for your health. It's not good for your health. It contains deep fried things and and the oil which has detrimental for your health. So I prefer to eat uh, in restaurants, but not all the time at the weekends or 2 to 3 times a month.
Okay, and what did you learn about creativity at school?
Well, I learned many things about creativity at the school level. In my school, there were many competitions. There had many competitions held on creativity about creating and creating a film with the friends and getting a film with the friends and making a video making a video on making a video on a special on a special or specific on a specific occasion uh, by your own mind, uh, and the student who had most creative in his video, he will get a reward.
Okay, and are there many airlines in your country?
uh, well, there are many airlines in my country, but my country has only two airline of its own, one PAA and other is Air Blue. Most of the airlines are in the airports, but this is not my country's own airline. On airlines, these are the other countries' airlines. But for my country, it has only two airlines, PIA and Air Blue.
Okay, and have you ever flown anywhere?
Well, I didn't fly anywhere at the instant, but I have a plan to study abroad. So soon I will fly. I will fly to the country, fly to the foreign country for my study purpose.
Okay, that is great. That's fine. Okay. Let's move to the second part, and that's the cue card, right? And this cue card, you will be having 1 minute to prepare, and then you are supposed to talk at least for 2 minutes, right? So let me share a screen with you.
Yes, sir.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
You can start now.
Alright, sir. Nowadays, many people have preferred the Western clothes, we wear Western clothes like fence coats, styles, etc. In etc. In now all around all around the globe. But my preference uh, is different from them. I prefer Eastern clothes because I feel more comfortable in it, and moreover, it is over traditional. It is over traditional clothes, or it consists of shalwar and kameez. Shalwar kameez is sometime waistcoat and blazer with it, but more often people only wear shalwar and kameez. It is more comfortable. It is more comfortable to wear, and I wear almost every day. But sometime I also wear trousers and shirt whenever I have a plan to do athletic work, but I only prefer it on that sports day or any of the athletic work. But moreover more but more often I wear the Eastern clothes because I like it so much, and I feel much comfortable and much comfortable and it also a tradition, so I also prefer it.
Enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll ask you some couple of questions regarding this topic. Could you please describe the traditional clothes you people follow in your own country?
Well, in our tradition, we wear the Eastern clothes. It consists of shalwar kameez. Shalwar kameez is sometimes people wear a waistcoat and blazer with it. And in our tradition, there is also a sherwani. There is also a sherwani which people often wear in the special occasions like in marriage ceremony. But normally people wear shalwar kameez with coat or blazer with it.
All right, that is great. Let me ask you uh, another question. Do people in your country prefer traditional clothes or modern clothes?
Every person has its own have their every person has their own preferences. Some of the people prefer Western clothes because they feel that it is more comfortable for them. It is more comfortable for them, and also feel good in it. But most of the people wear our traditional clothes because they like it, and they feel more comfortable, and they wear it because it is our tradition, and that's the reason the people in our country wear more the traditional clothes than the Western clothes.
Okay, that is great. Another question is from you. Do clothes reflect a person's personality?
Well, some people think that the personality of a person is clearly noticed by their clothes, but in my perspective, it is totally false. It's totally false that the clothes of the people does not reflect its personality. Does not reflect its personality. That Its personality. We can predict the personality of a people by of someone by talking with it, by living by talking with him, and or by living with him, uh, by living with him, which is the way to predict the personality of someone. In my preference, clothes are not the way to predict the personality of someone.
Okay, that is great. That's fine. Uh, do you usually buy clothes online or in stores?
I usually prefer buying clothes online because it is more convenient and more flexible, more relaxed method to buy the clothes instead of going to supermarket and face many challenges like traffic which is not which is also a waste of time, which is also a waste of time, and also cause stress, and sometimes there is also the parking of car is not available, which is also kind of stress. So I prefer to buy clothes online, which is more comfortable and relaxable for me.
All right. The last question from you is, what do you usually wear on special occasion?
I really wear, and sometimes I wear pant coats, Western clothes on special occasion. But more often I wear my traditional clothes with blazers or a shawl or a waistcoat with it, because I feel more comfortable and more confident and it's also our traditional. It is also our traditional clothes, so that's why I prefer wearing these clothes instead of Western pant coats in special occasions.
All right, that is great. Thank you so much. You will get your result very soon. Thank you.
All right, sir.